Cybersecurity is a huge field. It includes a lot of things, including cloud infrastructure security, on-premises infrastructure security, application security, container security. We have heaps of tooling around cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, you have operations, you have digital forensic, you have ransomware specialists, and the list goes on. In your opinion, what do you think is the most important area of cybersecurity? I know that everything is important when it comes to cybersecurity, but is the most critical foundational area which you think cybersecurity cannot do without? In my opinion, that is identity and access management. Identity and access management broadly involves two things: authentication. How do you authenticate to any system with your passwords and usernames, and then authorization. What it means is who can do what. So authentication is to identify who you are, and then authorization is what you can do once you are in the system. So I personally think that the most important area of cybersecurity is identity and access management, as it is a fundamental core of everything that we do in a corporate excuse me, in a corporate infrastructure. And it's just not about the corporate environment. It's about virtually everything that we do in our digital worlds. Like it or not, the digital boundaries between our corporate world and the rest of our lives is increasingly becoming blurred. But we live in a legacy world of silly identifiers and passwords, and still we have to remember these things, even with MFA or multi factor authentication. But I believe that within a decade, these will fade into the past and be replaced with properly defined decentralized identifiers or DIDs and digital wallets. So I believe that we should start thinking about modernizing this identity and access management facet of cybersecurity. And I'm very keen to hear your opinion. Please, if you have any feedback, put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.